Hey guys, today I thought I'd be doing something new, and today will be a building video on my bed. So yeah, I got set number, that's the camera, 30642, or no, birthday train. As you can see, it's a birthday train, yeah, exactly like the name. And I'll be building this today, but I have to adjust the camera. Okay, yeah, it's gonna be a little bit messy. Check that, okay. Wait, there we go. Has the instructions, and reading the bag has 58 pieces. Sheesh. And it's intended for 6 plus. Wow, okay. So we have the instructions. This is a poly bag. I'm not sure if that's the correct name, or whatever. I got no idea. And we have the instructions. So this is what I'm going to be going through. Lots of stuff. Anyways. Step 1. Okay, here. I'm going to set all of this aside and start this off. So 2. Wow. Just to note, like you can't hear me, I won't be talking a lot in this video because I'll be focusing on the instructions. I forgot to say that in the first part of the video, but who cares? It's gonna be a long video anyways. Okay, so this is side. Put this on. Put these two on. And the liner piece. Okay. So far. Okay, so this is side. And make it like this. Oh well. Okay, that's the first few steps. Now, this one. Now I'm making a candle, which is, this is the first time I ever touched a Lego candle, and it's small. Oh, wait. Yeah, I don't know how to focus that. I'm not looking. That's small. Sheesh. Okay, now I put the wheels on. Like that. Wow. And I make the cow catcher, whatever it's named. Hard to say. Okay, this is the finished first step of a product, I guess. Wow. Now, put these two together. I should have noted this at the start of the video, but some parts you won't be able to see. Some parts, meaning some parts of the building process you will never see. Because I'm never going to re-record this. And this is the engine and its flatbed, I guess. Now I make the present. Wow. A lot of steps. Okay, now that that's done, put it over here. This piece over here. I'm not sure if I can focus that. There we go. Oh, it's dark. I just realized that. Put these pieces on. What flat 1x1 squares pieces, red and white. Yeah. Well, I'm bringing it fast for a second. And almost done. Step 23 asks us to put these pieces sloped. I don't know how to call these. Yeah, just rounded pieces, 1x1 rounded pieces, and we added it up like this, and then it's done. That's it. Expectations and reality. Okay, now I got extra pieces. Alright, it's time to say goodbye. Bye.